ROE CB8 panels are everywhere, but when they fail, what do? Wait on the manufacturer or get it fixed fast at Azar Pixels.
Today, we're repairing a ROE CB8 LED module step by step. We start by carefully removing screws and shaders, breaking the panels down to its core. Next, faulty pixels are removed without stressing the board, keeping everything stable for the rebuild. Every pad is clean spotless with solder wick. A clean foundation ensures a strong, longer lasting repair. Connections are tested before the rebuild, making sure the module is ready for new life. Flex PCB is placed down precisely, then fitted snugly around the pixels for durability. New pixels are soldered in evenly, ensuring your screen looks seamless again. Next, we verify the signal, then apply the IP65 silicone, since this is an outdoor module. Finally, we reapply the shaders and the module is restored to the original look. With faster turnaround, specialized expertise, and parts that keep your show running smoothly, Azar Pixel, the reliable partner your team can lean on.